Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So we're currently in the month of June, which I assume everybody knows, which if you didn't know, it is Pride Month. So today I decided to create a look inspired by Pride Month, and I was so excited because I was like, I love playing with color, so what better time to do it than now? So this is the look that I came up with. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then make sure to keep watching. But first, like always, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you aren't already subscribed, as well as hit that little bell notification so you're notified every time I upload. Now, let's go ahead and get started. Jumping right on in, I'm going to be going in with the Sample Beauty Cult palette for the first shade. I'm going to be going in with this dark royal blue color right here. Picking this up on a Morphe M562. This is going to go on our outer corner, so I'm just going to pack that on. This is going to be the darkest color we use. I'm just going to take that eyeshadow and that brush, and I'm just going to form a slight wing with that color because later on we are going to wing out the eyeshadow. So I just want to have a little bit of a template to start with. Not bringing this color too far in. I'm going to stop it a third of the way on the outer corner so we can save room for the other colors that are going to be going on our lid. I'm also not bringing this color too high up because we are going to be blending above it. So for right now, I'm just going to leave it right there in the crease. And later on, I will blend it upward if I need to. Jumping on into our next color, I'm going to be going with the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going to use this bright lime green color right here. I'm going to pick this color up on a clean M562, and this color is going to go on the center of the lid. Keeping this color in the center, and we're keeping the inner third clean because that is where that bright yellow is going to go. Going in again with the Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm going to go in with this bright yellow shade right here, which is next to that green. And again, I'm picking this up on a Morphe M562, and this is going right on the inner corner. Brighten up that yellow eyeshadow just a little bit, so I'm going to go in with the white from the Cult palette, and I'm just going to put this over top of the yellow, and that is going to help lighten it up and just make it look a lot brighter. So moving on to our crease, I'm going to be going in with the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette, and I'm going to take this purple color right here. The color is going to go right above the blue to help blend that out. Jumping back to the Sample Beauty Cult palette, I'm going to go in with this light peach color right here, and this is going to go right above the green to help blend that out. Going in with really light pressure and really little product and just slowly building up that color, because since we are using a lot of different colors here, you really want to be careful and just take your time and slowly build up the color, because this look can get super crazy, super muddy, super unblended really fast. So just take your time and use really light pressure and just build the color up to get it where you want it. I'm gonna bring this orange a little bit over the yellow, but I'm not bringing it all the way in because I really want that yellow to brighten up the inner corner. So I'm gonna stop the orange about right here and still leave this part open, and just continue to blend it back and forth. Now that we have all of the colors placed down exactly where we want them, now is when we can go in and start blending everything together. I'm going to go back into the Sample Beauty palette, and I'm going to go ahead and take this royal blue again. That was when I'm going to start blending that up into the purple and into the green so that we can have it nice and diffused. Back in with this bright green color, we're going to blend the green with the yellow and blend the green up into the orange. So as you can tell, we blended away a lot of that purple that was supposed to help blend out the blue. So now I'm just going to go back in and pop that in there and blend it up a little bit higher. and do the same with the orange and pop that in there to brighten it up. And so now taking a Morphe M433, I mixed together the yellow and the white shade, and now I'm just going to blend that up into my crease in this corner part of my eye and blend that into the orange. Going in with this red eyeshadow from the Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm just going to pick this up on a fluffy blending brush. And I'm just going to take a really, really tiny amount. And I'm going to blend this on the outer corner. Alright, so for the most part, it's blended how I want it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take some concealer. And we are going to clean up the edge of the eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and highlight my brow bone, and to do that I'm going to take the white eyeshadow from the Cult palette and I'm just going to pop this on the brow bone. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes, and I'm actually going to do my face makeup off camera today, but I will be back to finish off my lower lash line, pop on some highlighter and a lip color with you guys, so I will be right back. So to go ahead and finish off my eyes, I'm going to mix together the light yellow with the white from the Sample Beauty palette. This is going to go on my inner corner and on the inner part of my lower lash line. Now going in with this light purple from the BH Festival palette, I'm going to blend this on the outer corner and halfway in so that it blends in with the yellow. Taking the red color from the BH Cosmetics Brazil palette, I'm just going to smoke out the purple. For eyeliner in my waterline, I'm going to go in with the NYX Vivid Cream eyeliners, and I'm going to use the shade Sugar Rush. It's like a pretty light lavender color, and this is just going to go in my waterline. Corner, I'm going to take Now and Zen from Colourpop. This is my absolute favorite inner corner highlight shade ever. It's so pretty. It's not too bright, but it's still bright, but it's not like it's white. So to highlight my face, I'm going to go in with my ABH Sun Dipped Glow Kit. I'm going to mix together Summer and Moonstone. Alright, so for my lip color, I figured I would go bright and bold, keeping with, you know, the rainbow theme. So I'm going to go in with a red lipstick, and this is Arriba from Colourpop and iluvsarahii, and I'm going to put a clear gloss on top. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Shine Shot lip gloss. Alright you guys, and this is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, comment down below and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.